Hi, this video is about how to get up to $15,000 from Microsoft for Azure proof of concept funding with no strings attached. So the whole process starts with a free assessment. What we're going to determine is what apps, files, and databases need to be migrated. We're going to look at how many new servers need to be built in the new Azure Virtual Network. We're going to look at the total data storage needed for disk storage, that's the disks on the virtual machines, backups, and data center disaster recovery. We're going to look at the current processing load that you have on your current servers, what the average utilization of those cores is, to determine the CPU power that is needed without wasting money. We want to make sure those processors are really working. And then we determine if the servers need steady levels of processing power, or we can use burstable power, which also saves money. We then look if we need to run the servers 24/7, or if the customer is okay to just have them running during business hours, which also saves money. And then we determine how many users are on the local network, and are they making direct connections to the servers, or are they using remote desktop services. And of course, we want to look at the client's internet connection. So we want to look at their down-up bandwidth. We want to look at the speed between their local network and the Azure data center. And then we want to look at the backup internet connection and check that they have a local hardware firewall that can fail over and fail back between the primary and backup internet connection. So then we put a proposal together. It'll show the one-time professional project service fees, the estimated Azure monthly subscription fees, and then optionally the monthly managed services by Azurian if the client wants us to manage that. And then here's the money you can get from Microsoft. If a customer has an estimated $1,000 a month for their Azure subscription, they will get $1,500 of project funding. If it's $2,000 a month for their Azure subscription, the estimate, they'll have $3,000. $5,000 subscriptions have $7,500 of funding, and $10,000 a month subscriptions have $15,000 of funding. And the money could be used for migrations, proof of concepts, deployments. And the important thing to know is there's no strings attached. There's no term contracts. You pay monthly. If you want to shut it off 6 months from now, you can do it 6 months from now. If you want to shut it off 18 months from now, you can do it. But it's pay as you go. And Microsoft just wants a shot at your business. So the funding process works like this. The client signs off on the project. Azurian submits the funding request to Microsoft. And then once that's approved, Microsoft gives us a do not start before date, and a project must be completed by date. Then Azurian submits the project as complete. Then Microsoft confirms with the client that the project is complete. Microsoft sends the money to Azurian, and then Azurian applies 100% of the money to the client's account as a credit. So if you're interested in a free Azure assessment and funding estimate, you can schedule an initial call. You can email us at support@Azurian.com, call us 847-995-9800, or go to our website, Azurian.com/Microsoft-Azure, read up a little more about us and how we do things. And there's a form there if you want to fill out, and that'll come to us, and then we can set up a call. So we have the cloud platform competency with Microsoft, and we've done many Azure builds and migrations. And we are Microsoft Multi-Gold Tier 1 Cloud Solutions provider. Thanks for watching the video.